Hello, welcome back. And we started not very well today, right? So we're taking control of the price action. Let me go and share with you today's data. So the market was dropping about an hour ago. Then Reuters, this news is from 30 minutes ago, about 43 is more. So this is exact time. At 43, Trump says 100% of tariffs on China are not sustainable. Okay? So having said that, the market is turned. It turned to about the closing prices of yesterday. So let's go to bit.ly rutina. So routine in English. And this picture is going to be a bit different than the one we're going to see in the live data, but still necessary, very necessary. This gives us the projection every day of just trying to get to the picture of blank slate decision making just on data, which is very hard, of course. Consolidation, back, consolidation. So still not a lot of negative pressure. It's not reflecting in this chart, at least. And remember, this is yesterday's, here, yesterday's close. Next picture. Here we have a little more of an issue. 1% month to date, minus 1% month to date. Inside of this range, but overnight we were close to trade here. And this open room to trade lower or consolidation and a trade higher. You see, like I always give the both options. Last night I was worrying a lot for positions that I don't have to worry that much. So probably was worrying of this drop. Right? Now it's easier to connect that. But that was there. I don't know if you noticed, but I watched the video and was thinking, okay, maybe that this is it. Here we have like drop from yesterday, not very heavy. Similar on the Nasdaq 100. Gold still going. Crude still going. I mean, why do I want to trade equities long with gold so long, right? Why do I want to short the equities when crude is so weak? Just pick what is moving in the direction, find a good risk reward, and try to go in that. Japan turned positive, and now it's a little bit more positive. And South Korea, Greece, Spain, Portugal, South Africa, Mexico, Italy, Iceland, Germany, Brazil, based on US dollars, they're doing extraordinary. So can we say the US is lagging? Let me tell you. UK and US, let me see, what is the US here? It's Mexico, it's about 10, China, Italy, US, India. Are they lagging, India and the US? I could make this bigger, but I think you see it. Leave in the comments if this is not large enough, but for me, it's good enough. So yes, clearly the US is lagging other equity indexes. International asset returns. This chart puts me in perspective of what is being hot and what is being cold. Very weak on the week. So let me make it bigger. What do we have here? Flat for the last 14 days, very weak in the last week. Flat for the last 14 days, very, very weak in the last week. Last week is 7 trading days, okay? 7 days, 7 calendar days. Silver, very strong. Gold, here, gold, silver, very strong. Let's go to the daily charts. Right here. This is the Discord. If you want to join, this is the link. You have it in the description as well. Let's go to see what is going on, because this is very important, and the bears can be in control as soon as the market open in 4 minutes, okay? Euro, let's start with the euro. Trades higher, it returned. Let me tell you the news. Let me tell you exact time. Okay, so this is New York time. No, this is Chicago. Chicago time. Okay. 1 a.m. Chicago. Return. From the open, this is what we see. Bitcoin, very weak. Very weak. You can see. Day after day, day after day. The only thing that thinking is why it's not gapping down. Like normally these instruments, okay, trading 24 hours, right? Here you have the gap down, right? On the daily in 5 minutes, it close. Okay, why is not this gapping down, right? So let's see if it open now. Crude, another gap down. We can see here, gap down. Hammer so far positive, but if we look at this candle, did not take the high of the day, and now it's rejecting. It's 56. The euro, yes. Let's focus on this because this is the mother of all. We were near the low of Friday. So when I remember, I am in Europe. So when I woke up this morning, I was thinking, now I know why I was so worried last night, or worried. Why I have more that feeling, you know? I don't know if you get that feeling that the market is worrying you, but that your positions are fine yet, right? Or still. And then when I saw the price, I said, okay, fine, I understand. So now, look at it. It was 3 in the morning, but the Trump comments were an hour ago. So about here, it's not that Trump made the market turn, but clearly having this in the front page of trading platforms, I mean, you read it, right? Global bank stocks, US risks, banks stocks down 15 hours ago, 5 hours ago. It's true, the banks in the US are suffering a little bit. And I would take that in consideration. That should not continue. And we are open. And I don't know why it ran twice. here. We're open. This was a day ago, 5 minutes ago. Oil, nothing more. So we go into the markets, right? So the AS is now open. We are opening, I think, at yesterday's closing price. And we could put this in a daily candles and we put XPX. Mark, activate and duplicate, then mark this, the high. Okay, so we are opening a little bit lower. I'll focus on the internals now. Score. Let me open this right. I don't know what is going to open, so okay. And create. And it can be news driven or not, right? It tested yesterday. Yeah, sorry. Tuesday night or right? Tuesday low that was tested overnight, rejected it, and now we are about yesterday's closing price on the ES. Of course, here is it's a very simple path. Let me try to explain it. If we are inside of the box, and this is why I was so worried, not worried, but I had that strange feeling last night. The video yesterday was clear. I mean, it was clear. We were trading around this area. I wanted the market to push higher to all-time highs because it makes money, right? I make money and clients make money and everything is great. It's better. Most of the investors are long, so it's good for us if we trade to all-time highs and we continue. So when I saw the reversal and I saw it on the Nasdaq first, right? I said, "Oh God," you know. Then we closed, or we tested near the low. Now we have two choices. We go back into yesterday's range, and let me mark the range from the open to the high, to the close. We consolidate in this area, right? And we have a relaxed Friday, no news, and that's it. Or we consolidate them down and then we go down. Remember, we were here a few hours ago. So that's very, very, very easily done. I'm thinking if I should make this number on the right larger, so it will be easier for you to see the levels. For me are fine. Maybe I could make it bigger. That's one way. The other way is this is yesterday's range. It's fine. We can be inside of yesterday's range from the open to the close. Just pass. Time pass, right? Some of you will read. last. Just time pass here. Maybe push a little bit, maybe come back, maybe push a little bit. But is this what worries me? Because if we get here, that means that every single bear that opens shorts is getting rewarded, and they're making money, right? They have two choices: take the money and run, or say, "Oh, let's go for a new short." And it's the new short that many people was talking during the week, Monday, oh, Black Monday, and so on. You saw on the social media and so on. I wasn't so confident about that. We had two tries, and I can show you. I mean, it's two clear tries. The first one was here, first try, and second try. I'm getting better of drawing with the mouse. I have a Wacom, but still not. So two tries, it didn't work. Maybe the third try, could have a third try today, or later today, or maybe next week. Maybe the third try is the one that breaks and go. Here. We are inside of that area. We're not testing the low. I don't have a lot of things to do. I mean, it's not there. I mean, that's it. We have, I mean, I do have a lot of things to do, but I hope you understand what I mean. So we have these lines, right? It's broke to the downside, didn't find consolidation here. And now it's trading higher. So let's go to see the internals. Mix New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq. Infotech is positive. Financial is turning flat. Now it's positive. So if I want a positive picture, let me take a picture here. I can send it to the Discord. In the intraday data, I would say mixed internals. They're turning positive. They turn positive. In the first 8 minutes. They turn a bit more positive in the first 8 minutes. I cannot give it to the bulls, I cannot give it to the bears, right? But this is clearly indecision, you know. We're going to do the same thing with the Nasdaq. Let's go on gold because I was waiting for this and now it's happening. A new high and a red candle. The high was done overnight at $4,392. This is just unbelievable. Huh? So it was done overnight. Now it's trading. It's just the new low. So I don't like this. If let me mark an alert here. I want to be in the mind of the shorts, right? And trust me, I don't have positions to take shorts gold. But if there is people that want to look for a retracements, I probably am sure that in the last month people was looking for retracements, right? I would say, okay, let me have a negative candle, at least one negative candle, so I can place a stop above that candle, right? There is a big likelihood that those shorts get punished, but at least they have a fixed risk reward ratio saying, let me go here. If my risk is this box, right, can take it. Well, let's do it like the other day. It's easier. It's not easier, but this stays on the chart. If my risk is this one, a 2 to 1 needs to take me here. Oops. What happened to the expansion? Why? Let me see if I didn't save it. So I open this and then I go to the 5 times. Where are the boxes? Oh, sorry, gold. Here there are the boxes. Activate. Go here. That can take me to this low. So 2 to 1 can take me to this low. It's not great if I wait to test this. If I take it now, maybe it's smart. If I take it now, one and two. It takes me to this high, right? Activate. It takes me to this high. It makes, I mean, it's certainly more, it's closer, right? It is closer. That would erase a week of gains. Yeah. Yep. That would be good. I mean, it wouldn't. It certainly would not affect the daily operation of candles, nor the bulls, not the bears, the bulls, right? The bulls view. But the high likelihood is of this not working. It's high. It's high. Let's go. Ooh. Mm. And Q is not holding. Mixed internals. Now New York Stock Exchange turned negative. A little bit of selling pressure. And it's not holding. Okay, so that's all for me so far. Okay, let's one more thing that I didn't do. If we go, we want to see top equities, but the equities, if the indexes are not holding, is because these babies are not. Google down, Meta trading in the yesterday's low prices, Apple open stronger, giving up, giving something. Nvidia not very strong. Microsoft not very strong. Then we have the market profile here, volume profile. And here this is what I was waiting, right? This line to break, still not. Holding, 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 holding. I mean, nothing is like screaming buy. So we don't go running around looking for longs, right? We could do the sectors, financials. This is a big drag, right? And this is what that we were mentioning then. 5180. So we're trading about here. 5180, right? Mm-hmm. It was very low and we traded lower. Let me go. Financials. Open about yesterday. Gap down, gap down, gap down. Then it's trading lower without gap downs, but yesterday was quite bad. It was the price action yesterday. It opened and then 45 minutes of selling pressure, failed to regain anything and lower. What do we have positive today? So I wouldn't touch it, right? I wouldn't touch it. if this gets weak, financials is not finding buyers so far. Lower low, bad negative candles, indecision, push higher, indecision, push lower, tight range, and then explosion to the downside twice. Not a very good, healthy price action. Industrials consolidation. These are now negative. Okay, good. So that was my summary. What is about 10 more minutes to start to see what we want to place this play, and then gap up is trading lower. I don't know if you noticed the amount of large triple and quintuple or 5x, 3x and 5x ETF from individual stocks that are coming to the market. It's just unbelievable. Yeah. Sound good? Thank you so much, and we talk to you later. Bye bye.